everyone. Just gonna wait a few more seconds for some people to join. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited to be back with another cooking demo, another live. Hi everyone. So it is, excuse my wet hair. I just got out of the pool with my daughter. It's so hot out here today. If you Dr. Brandt people are in Miami, I can't even imagine how hot you guys are. But it's like, it's gotta be 90 degrees. It's so humid. So I just jumped in the pool with Maxie. We did a little bit of swimming. But it's kind of the perfect day to do this refreshing treat, this little snack that I like to do. It's perfect for this summer heat. And yeah, what I love about it is you can kind of play around and do different flavors. Today I'm using a Greek yogurt, blueberry, strawberry, mint mix, but you can really kind of treat this like a smoothie in that you can make popsicles out of anything you'd put in a smoothie. So, you know, if you want to do like berries and peanut butter or coconut water, you can do like kind of different flavors and play around. You can also like take these ingredients and blend them and make like a smoothie and then put them in the popsicle mold, or like I like to do it, I like to keep it kind of white and see the fruit. I just like how that looks better, but it's totally up to you. And what I love about this and why I chose it for this Dr. Brandt demo is that, you know, just like the Hydrobiotic line has Greek yogurt in it, we're going to use that because of its prebiotic, probiotic component, which is amazing for the gut microbiome, but also great for the skin's microbiome. And as we know, the prebiotics and the live bacteria in Greek yogurt helps feed the healthy gut bacteria so that our good bacteria can proliferate and flourish and make sure that our microbiome in our gut is really strong, can fight off and can boost immunity, can fight infection, can fight getting sick, and it really helps prevent skin outbreaks, redness, irritations, acne, all of that. So, and it also just helps kind of kill bacteria. So on the skin, when we put it in the Hydrobiotic, it's helping keep our skin's microbiome really even and balanced. Again, just trying to keep our skin looking clear and bright. And then there's antioxidants in a ton of Dr. Brandt's products. Antioxidants are found in high amounts in berries. So today we're using blueberries and strawberries for the antioxidant factors. For those of you that don't know, antioxidants are what they kind of, I think of them as Pac-Man. They're killing toxins in the body that cause chronic and acute illness. So these are kind of the good warriors in our bodies, just trying to keep us healthy. And mint and all herbs are also super, super high in antioxidants. It's why tea is a great antioxidant boosting product. So I love to put herbs and mint in. Right now, mint is so refreshing. So I'm putting it in my cocktails, but also in my food. But herbs, and trying to just put herbs in absolutely everything you make and cook is amazing, and just kind of boost the flavor in such an amazing way, but also the antioxidant factor and just making it healthier. So that's why I love all these ingredients. It's so simple. We've literally got 4 ingredients here. So yeah, so I have popsicle molds. I'm out in the Hamptons, and in my apartment I have cute popsicle molds. For anyone with kids, this is such a fun activity. It's so easy, and it's just kind of something that you can include your kids in the kitchen with by helping them kind of fill the molds and blend whatever you're going to fill it with. So I highly recommend on Amazon. It's pretty cheap to just get a few different popsicle molds so you can make those and keep those in the freezer, and it's just a fun activity with kids. For adults, I actually just use an ice tray. So I like to make them into just little, you know, ice cube shapes, and so you kind of pop them in and just kind of have a healthy bite-sized snack, and it's just so refreshing on a day like today. So what we're gonna do, basically, I like to just even cut my blueberries in half a little bit and the strawberries just into small pieces, because I like to see the fruit in my little popsicle bites, but but you want them in small pieces. So I'm just taking and cutting, and again, you can just throw everything in a blender and blend it, and then you'll kind of have a pink popsicle bite. So it's up to you whether you like the look of a blended pink one, or you like to see the fruit mixed in with the Greek yogurt, or you can do half and half. So honestly, this is like all I want to eat today. I just took Maxie on a walk and it was so hot. I was sweating when I got back, hence why I jumped in the pool, hence why my hair is wet. But I just had to. It was like one of those days. Okay, so just cutting my blueberries in half. And guys, if anyone has questions related to this recipe or not related to this recipe, as always, please send them in. I just got the best part about being out in the Hamptons is the farm stands. These strawberries, you can just so you see how small they are, it just makes you realize how not natural those gigantic ones we get in the grocery store are. These are so insanely sweet. Like, it's candy. Again, you don't need a lot because we're just kind of using them, just making them into really, really small pieces so that you can see what everything is, but it just has a nice texture. Just do one more. Okay. And so yeah, I thought this was such a great, relevant thing, especially for Dr. Brand, who uses natural ingredients like the Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is also a great source of protein and calcium, so it helps keep you full. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a few because there's only a few of us here, but obviously you can fill as many as you want. I just want to show you how to make them. So I put the berries in first. So I just put a few. I'm taking my ice tray. I'm just putting a few in each. I'm just gonna make like 4 just so you can. And I like to put the berries in the bottom so that when you pull it out, it's sort of like the color at the tip. But you can also, I like to kind of layer. So I put berry and then I put the Greek yogurt and then I put a few more berries at the top. So these are actually a great 4th of July little party edition. We'll pass that, but for next 4th of July. Should definitely try these. So, okay, I'm just making 6 so we can get the gist of it. Okay, so you see they're just in my popsicle tray. I'm taking my Greek yogurt, and you really have to, like, you want to fill it completely. You don't want any holes in it, so you gotta just like really press it down. And you don't want to fill it all the way because again, we're gonna put a little bit more fruit on the top. Okay. Let's see. Hi guys, we're seeing if there's any questions here. I hope some of you made the salad I made last time and liked it. That's also what I've been eating non-stop. Just pulling this up. Okay. And I'm just curious how everyone's doing. You know, now that quarantine is we're kind of going back to not normal, but we're going out more than we were in the beginning when we first started doing these. So I just want to know how everyone feels health-wise, whether they feel like it's easier to stay healthy or harder. Okay, so now I just filled these like 3/4 of the way. Okay. And now on the top, I'm just gonna, I didn't forget my mint, but I have my mint, which I just want to chop up. So this smells so good. Again, mint, really refreshing, but it also super high in antioxidants. So a little trick on how to cut any herbs in this shape, or you layer them on top of each other. So I'm just stacking them. And then you roll them up. Oh shoot, you can't see. Hold on. Okay, so then you roll it. So it's kind of in this cylinder. And then you take your knife and you chop. chop. So now I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on top. And just kind of press it in. You don't want too much mint because then it'll kind of take over the flavor of it, but just enough. Okay. And then lastly, I'm just gonna put, since you just see the mint is on top, I'm just gonna put in a few more berries on top of them. So I don't need to chop any more up. And then you could obviously get popsicle sticks, but if you don't have those at home, you can just actually stick toothpicks in them. So that when you pull them out, it's kind of easier to eat. Okay. So here we go, that's what they look like. And then I'm just gonna stick them in the freezer for overnight or even just a few hours so that they can harden. I'm gonna stick the toothpicks in each one. So that they're easy to pull out. And when you take them out of the molds, you might just want to turn it over a little bit and bang them so that they don't get stuck. But there you go, that's a super refreshing, healthy, little bite-sized snack, perfect for summer. And yeah, I will be back in a few weeks with another cooking demo, and feel free to message me at Molly's Best with any questions related to food, nutrition, anything. And I hope you guys enjoyed that, and have a good rest of your day. Bye everyone.